Ready to unlock the cheesy goodness of Domino's without emptying your wallet? First things first, head over to the Domino's website, that's Dominos.com, or open the Domino's app on your phone or tablet, then click that big inviting Order Now button. Now decide if you want your pizza delivered right to your door, or if you'd prefer to pick it up. Select either delivery or carryout and follow the prompts to enter your address or find your local store. Time for the fun part. Browse the menu and build your perfect pizza masterpiece. Customize your crust, sauce, toppings, go wild. Once you're happy with your order, add it to your cart. Okay, review your order in the shopping cart to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click on the checkout button to proceed to payment. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to the payment options. You should see a field labeled gift card, promo code, or something similar. Click on that field. Carefully enter your Domino's gift card number and any PIN that might be required. Double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly to avoid any issues. The gift card amount will automatically be deducted from your order total. If your gift card covers the entire amount, you're good to go. If not, you can pay the remaining balance with a credit card or another accepted payment method. Complete your order and get ready to enjoy your delicious Domino's pizza. All thanks to your gift card savvy. Enjoy.